Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing a clean, dust-free workspace and gathering tools: alcohol wipe, microfiber cloth, dust sticker, squeegee or firm card, and the protector. First, power off the watch and remove the strap so you can reach all edges. Once done, wipe the screen thoroughly, then use a dust sticker to lift any tiny particles. Next, position an alignment frame or use small pieces of tape as guides. Make sure the protector lines up with buttons and cutouts before you peel the backing. You should peel away only a small portion of the backing and align the exposed edge precisely to the watch bezel. This prevents misplacement. Then lower the protector slowly while holding alignment. Do not drop it. Once set, use a squeegee or firm card wrapped in microfiber to press from the center outward. This pushes out air and adhesive slurry. If a speck of dust shows up, lift the nearest edge just enough and dab the particle with a piece of tape. Then reapply and smooth. You finish by running the squeegee along all edges and pressing firmly to ensure full adhesion. Trim any overhang carefully if the protector extends past the bezel. Make sure the screen responds to touch and that sensors read normally. Let the adhesive set for 1 to 2 hours before reattaching the strap. If a stubborn bubble remains, use a sterile pin to very gently release trapped air and smooth it out. If debris is trapped under the guard, remove and replace the protector to avoid long-term problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.